Abdul Muttalib bin Rabi'a bin Haris states that Rabi'a bin Haris and Hazrat Abbas bin Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu anhum gathered and said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we will dispatch both these lads to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They said it about me and Fadl ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu. We will dispatch both these lads to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They said it about me and Fazl bin Abbas radiyallahu anhum. So that both these boys must ask Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to appoint both of them as a poor due collector, and they will bring him alms as other people do, and thus they will be granted what is granted to other people. Meanwhile, Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib radiyallahu anhu came there and stood by them. They mentioned it to Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, do not do so. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam will not do so. Rabi'a bin Haris thereupon started reproaching Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, saying, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you are saying it only due to envy. You are the son-in-law of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but we are not envious of you at it. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, okay, dispatch both of them. We both went away, whereas Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu lay down. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam finished the Zohar prayer, we had reached the apartment before him and stayed next to the apartment until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, held the ears of both of us and said, express what is in your hearts. Thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam and we both entered the apartment. That day he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in the apartment of Hazrat Zainab bin Jahash radiyallahu anha. We asked each other to break the ice. Then one of us started conversation and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you favor the people the most and cement the bond of kinship more than all. We have reached the marriageable age. We have come to you to request you to appoint as alms collector. We will also receive the wealth and fetch it to you as the other people bring. So we'll also procure some of it as other people get. Rabi'a says, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam observed silence for a long period of time until we intended to talk to him in this connection. But Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha behind the curtain was signaling to us not to speak. Rabi'a says that then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Muhammad's progeny must not utilize alms, for it is the impurity of the people. You should call Mahmiya. He was the in charge of the royal fief, and Nawfal bin Haris bin Muttalib. They both came. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Mahmiya, marry your daughter to this boy Fazl bin Abbas. He whereupon married his daughter to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to Nawfal bin Harith, marry your daughter to this boy. He whereupon married his daughter to me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to Mahmiya, give them dua on their behalf from the royal fief. Zuhri says, the reporter does not narrate to me the dua. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2478.